Mullen Automotive just closed the day at 6.4 cents, another brutal slide for a company that seems to be running out of both time and investor trust. But there's something even more serious here. Some sources are now reporting Mullen's market cap at under $1 million. That's not just a low-cap stock. That's a company on the verge of total collapse. And yet, Mullen is moving forward with a corporate name change to Bollinger Innovations, effective July 28. Now you have to ask, why? The stock is disintegrating. Shareholder confidence is non-existent. There are ongoing delisting threats. And instead of addressing any of that directly, Mullen's management is rolling out a rebrand. And when you line up the timing, it starts to look less like strategy and more like manipulation. Let's break this down. As of market close on Thursday, July 24th, MULN shares are trading at $0.064, a devastating fall from recent levels. And again, some platforms now estimate the company's entire market cap to be under $1 million. That's tens of millions below the $35 million Nasdaq minimum required to stay listed. Back in February, Mullen was notified it had fallen out of compliance with Nasdaq's market cap rule. The company has until August 26 to regain compliance. That means maintaining a market cap above $35 million for 10 consecutive trading days. And here's where it gets interesting. Originally, most assumed the company would time its ticker change and name switch to occur right before that 10-day window, probably around mid-August. But now, according to Mullen's own website, the company will rebrand as Bollinger Innovations on July 28, well before the compliance window begins. Why bring it forward? What's the rush? And while that's happening, there's something else missing: any update on the reverse stock split vote. Remember, on July 8, Mullen filed Form 14A, asking shareholders to approve a new reverse stock split, potentially up to 1-for-100, and to authorize the issuance of stock tied to over $15 million in convertible debt and warrants. A shareholder meeting was scheduled. But now, weeks later, no update. No press release. No 8K. No official result. This is a public company with millions of retail investors. And they haven't said a word about one of the most consequential votes in their history. So here's the real question. Is the accelerated name change just a distraction? Is management trying to shift attention from the silence around the reverse split vote? Are they hoping that a shiny new brand and ticker, Bollinger Innovations, will generate enough short-term trading volume to lift the stock, spike the market cap, and keep them listed? It sure looks that way. But here's the truth. Rebranding doesn't change the fundamentals. This is a company that's reverse split its stock by a cumulative ratio of 1-for-22,500 over the last 2 years. This is a company that's raised millions through toxic convertible notes and warrants, many linked to Asusa Group, a firm with a track record of death spiral financing. And now, this is a company with a sub-$1 million market cap, trying to survive via symbol swaps and delayed transparency. Investors are being kept in the dark at the very moment when full transparency is most needed. No update on the shareholder vote. No confirmation about the reverse split. No guidance on how the company plans to raise its market cap more than 35-fold in the next few weeks. Instead, we get a name change. We get a fresh ticker. We get branding. Not business. And make no mistake, the August 26 Nasdaq deadline isn't moving. If Mullen can't keep its market cap above $35 million for 10 consecutive days before that date, they will be delisted. That's why this sudden rush to rebrand looks so suspicious. It's not just about optics. It's about timing. It's about gaming the rules. It's about staying listed, not staying honest. So here's the bottom line. If you're still holding MULN, or BINI, as it may soon be called, you need to ask yourself one thing. Is this a turnaround? Or is it a distraction? Because no matter what it's called, no matter what the ticker says, it's still Mullen.